Welcome to the Institution of Capital Market Analysis. In this presentation, I am going to introduce you with the real intraday trades taken on 18th February 2011. Finally, we have revealed a trading system, namely Smart Money Finder Intraday, which can identify the sideways movement of the market. According to our new trading system, buy signal generates when price crosses the high of the first deep blue bar, and sell signal appears when price breaks the low of the first deep red bar. Light blue represents the weak bull and light red represents the weak bear. In this system, exit depends on the black bar. Suppose we are long, then we will exit if any black bar appears and price crosses the low of the black bar. In case of short trade, we will exit if a black bar appears and the price goes above the high of that black bar. For long trades, the stop loss is the low of the first deep blue bar or the latest swing low if it is near to the low of the first deep blue bar, and for short trades, the stop loss is the high of the first red bar or the latest swing high if it is near to the high of the first deep red bar. Now, let us discuss the real trades. This is a 5-minute chart of JSW Steel. On 18th February 2011, the first trade generates at 9:25 am on this bar. Above this bar, we have taken long position at 923.5 with the stop loss below 920, as the swing low is far away from the low of the first deep blue bar. So we have taken long position above 923.50. Now here at 9:35 am a black bar appears. If the price crosses the low of this bar, we will exit from the long trade. Finally, at 10 am we have stopped out because this is a deep red bar which crossed the low of this black bar. So we have lost here rupees 1.6 per share. Now this is another opportunity for us for short trades because this is a deep red bar at 10 am and we have taken a short position below this bar with the stop loss above the high of this bar because this is the swing high near the high of this bar. So our stop loss is 927 and we have taken our short trade below 918 and the trade is going on here. Finally, at 11:30 am we have got a black candle which indicates that we will exit from the short trade if price crosses above the high of the black bar, and we have exit from the trade on the next bar at 11:35 am above the high of this bar, that is 899.7. So we have got here rupees 18 per share from this trade. So this is the second trade of the day. And now the choppy market appears here. This is a sideways movement of the stock and our system can identify so that there is no trading signal at all in this period. At 2:40 pm we have got another deep red bar. The low of this red bar is 890.25. So we will take short position below this bar with the stop loss above the high of this bar because this is the swing high. And this high is 902 and we have short position, we have taken short position below 890 and the trade is going on. At 3:25 pm a black bar appears but price does not cross the high of the black bar. So we have exited on the next bar at the end of the market at the end of the day. Though the low was 880.2, actual trade was exited at 883. So we have got another rupees 7 per share from this trade. Finally, we have got rupees 18 here, rupees 7 here, so rupees 25, and we have lost 1.6. So net profit is rupees 23.4 per share. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in our next presentation.